Hello friends, in last video we shall discuss about the application of biotechnology. The biotechnology is various uses or application. This biotechnology is used in medicinal purpose or medicinal biotechnology. It is also used in the agricultural crop productions or also the vaccine production. This biotechnology is used, or also gene therapy, or biotechnology is also used in the environmental purpose. Now these are the some importance or application of biotechnology. Now in this video we shall discussing about the effect of biotechnology. These are the various effect of biotechnology in environment or the human health. Now this biotechnology is various application as well as some effect is also occurring in the organisms. Means this biotechnology is important as well as effect of this biotechnology is seen. Now this first effect of biotechnology on environment. Now these environments, some using the some plants like herbicide uses and resistant varieties are developed. Also effect on untargeted species. Now this discussing this herbicide use, and also the chemical pesticides is used continuously in agricultural crops, and that's this effect is showing this some insect or other organisms. Now this continuous these herbicides use, and now this could be increased, which will have the large negative effect on the environment. Now this effect of environments on a particular concern with this environment, or particularly this biotechnology is applied by using the herbicide or pesticide resistant varieties. Now means genetically modified crops, and also the food production is increases. But these plants have ability to resistant to their environments, but other factors of environment they can also lose or decreasing other factors, and now this effect of other insect or pest they showing the negative effect of the environment. And now the next one, effect on untargeted species. Now this untargeted species, now the genetically modified plants, now BT cotton, beet corn, they can produce the genetically modified crops is produce the this insectivorous plants, means this plant BT cotton is produced, and now the other like the insect, the adverse effects on the butterfly population. Now these are the two effect of environments on the biotechnology is a effect on this environmental condition, like the herbicide use, continuous use of herbicide and resistant varieties is developed, as well as effect on the untargeted species. Now the next effect of biotechnology on human health. Now this second effect of biotechnology in human health. Now this some human health like the allergies or some long-term effect of human health. Also new proteins produced, these proteins also causing the effect of human beings. And now the food additives. These are the four effect of the human health on this environmental as well as the human health effect of biotechnology. Now the first one, allergy. These genetically modified crops could potential to the negative effects on human health, as well as some consumers they can develop the unaccepted allergic reactions. With some allergic reactions or negative effect of human beings or some plants or other organisms showing this biotechnology. Now the researcher use a specific gene. Now this some specific gene like the Brazil nut. This gene is introduced to the soybean plants, and now showing this increasing the production of methionine. This methionine production is increased, but some gene is also causing this gene, Brazil nut gene is caused to this plant, soybean plants, and now this effect of this plant and they can showing the allergic condition, or they can showing the nut allergies of these plants. Means these are the effect of allergies of some organisms is takes place through this biotechnology. Now the next effect of biotechnology is long term effect. This continuously some chemicals or some short amount of the time, there are relatively little research this conducted on the long term effect of biotechnology. Means this effect is showing many generation. Now this proteins is from some plants, and now this continuous food eating this purpose of these plants, and now this long term effect of health, and they cannot anticipate, or this effect of human beings is many generation. Now this adverse effect, long term effect of the this biotechnology showing the long term effect of human health. Now the next one effect, new proteins. Now these proteins are from the ATPs, means formation of the energy, and now the part of our food. This protein is most important food, but that people they can consuming these genetically modified crops, these protein containing crops, every day these proteins is consuming, and later the potential effect on the human health body, and this effect is not unknown. Now this proteins is also causing or some effect of human health. Now the next effect of human health, like the food additives. Now these food additives means the genetically modified plants are present the possibility for introducing the additional foods or additional nutrients food, and these foods as well as the antibiotics or vaccines, they can also produce or they can provide the nutrition and also disease resistant capacity. And now this fast advance in the life science, this adverse effect showing the some human health or additives are also effective of human health, or bioethical problems are created. Now these are the some food additives or genetically modified plants also some effect are causing this additional foods. Now these are the some effect of biotechnology on environments, as well as this biotechnology is effect on the human health. Now the next point, this biophytons. The next concept is a biophyton. So what is the biophytons? This biophytons means it is a government protected to an inventor of biological material. This government is protected of biological material and securing to him this material for manufacturing, exploiting, using, selling and invention. Now this is the definition of biophyton. This biophytons means it is a biological phytons, and now these biological phytons are awarded by genetically modified crops. Now the genetically modified plants means some strains are using for the production of genetically modified crops, some microorganisms or some plants, animals, some cell lines or DNA sequences, industrial processes and biotechnological processes are involved for these biophytons. Now this biophyton, it is also called the biological phytons, and government protected to and this inventor using the biological material. Now this next point, this right to the protect the property. The right to the protect this property are called the intellectual property. And now these patents, some time or duration of the patent in India is 5 years duration, and now this date of government or grant of the patents about the 7 years from date of filing for the application, and which ever the less. Now this duration of the particular time of 5 years duration of this biopatent for this first biopatent odds patented pertaining to genetically engineering bacterium. The first patent like the genetically engineering bacterium like the Pseudomonas. This bacterium Pseudomonas, the first patent, this bacterium was used for clearing the oil spillings, was first to be patent under the US patents. Now these are the some intellectual properties or these biopatents is firstly invested by the this one of the bacterium like the Pseudomonas. This is a biopatent. Now the next concept, next point, biopiracy. Now this biopiracy means the various natural products. Biopiracy means the production of various natural products and then selling them by getting patent without giving any benefit to the compensation back to the host country. Now this biopiracy is a private in general terms and are those who sell and kill other to enrich themselves. Now it is unauthorized misapproval of any biological resource or indigenous knowledge. And now this traditional knowledge that especially the relevant to global survival includes the knowledge. Now these biopatents in the biopiracy, the natural products are produced. Now these patents, for some example of biopiracy, some examples. This biopiracy is a private or this biopiracy is of neem plants, or biopiracy is turmeric or basmati varieties. Now the first biopiracy of neem, for example of biopiracy, of neem plant. You know the neem plants, this neem plant is a various medicinal important plants, and now this patenting of the seed oil of this neem plant, Indian neem, by US Department of Agricultural, and now this general Indians had used this neem oil as a medicine purpose. Now this neem plant is as a medicinal purpose as well as the insect or pest controlling agents, or this pesticide, various pesticides are produced. And now this 1992 was the study of this biopiracy in neem plants, and for the generation these Indians has used these neem oils as well as medicines or pest controlling agents, medicines and pest controlling agent. This is the biopiracy of neem plant. Now the next biopiracy of basmati rice. Second example, biopiracy of basmati rice. This basmati of rice grower in northern region and the northern region of Himalaya in India. This rice cultivation is occurring in these areas or regions. And now this basmati the taxes based on company patent of a strain basmati rice is crossed with the semi-dwarf variety. Now this produce the semi-dwarf variety of basmati plant, semi-dwarf variety is developed. Now this semi-dwarf varieties, new variety of basmati is developed, and this new variety of basmati is called the Texmati. This variety of rice is Texmati. This new variety of rice is produced. And now this biopiracy of basmati rice plants, means this rice is a taxes based on this company patent on this rice plant or this strain of the basmati rice. This cross means pollination takes place through the semi-dwarf variety is developed, and now this semi-dwarf variety of rice plant is produced, and now this new variety of rice is called the Texmati, and this Texmati is derived from the Indian basmati rice. Now it is a next one example of the biopiracy of this rice plant. And next one example of biopiracy of turmeric. The third example, the biopiracy of turmeric plant. Now this turmeric plant is used as a various purposes, medicinal purpose, this turmeric or haldi. Now in 1995, the University of Medical Center in USA had taken a patent on turmeric plants or turmeric powder. Now this turmeric powder is used as wound healing agents. This healing agent means the turmeric powder is mostly used for medicinal purpose or the wound healing agents in India. And it was not a discover of US government. Means this production of Indian plants like these turmeric plants is a various uses, or this turmeric powder is used for the wound healing patent. Now these are the some terms of biotechnology is include the biopatents and biopiracy. Now in this topic or in this chapter we shall discuss about the many terms like some various application of biotechnology in various purposes, as well as biotechnology is used in the rDNA technology, means manipulating the specific gene or desired genes from plants or animals, and also the several application is studied in this topic. And as well as this biotechnology is also effect on environment or human health. And now these new terms or short terms is also included. This biotechnology is biopatent and biopiracy.